Hi, hello, excellent slides here. We create excellent presentations. In this video, I will teach you how to use Format Painter in PowerPoint. Alright, so when we have our PowerPoint opened, let's create any shape. It will be oval, perfect oval. Alright, and let's creatively adjust this oval. So let's take different color, let's say this yellow, and shape outline, it will be the width of, let's say 6. Alright, and also change the color, maybe for red. Alright, so that's all. And now let's create the second shape. It will be just simple rectangle and remove outline. Alright, so where Format Painter tool is located? It is located here in home section. This is like a brush icon, Format Painter, as you can see. So we have to click our shape, so this oval as a first, and as you can see now it's clickable. So click this, and now click the second shape, so click this blue rectangle, and as you can see, all effects that had this our oval, so the fill color, the fill outline, and the wave of this outline has copied to this rectangle, right? So that's the way how Format Painter work. You just select the first shape, and as a second you select the second shape, and the effects of the first shape you have clicked are just copied to the second shape, right? It is not only copied colors and outline. If you have also, for example, shadow or reflection, glow, soft edges, anything like that, everything will be copied. So let's add shadow to this shape. So go to shadow, and just from the preset, maybe this one. All right, as you can see, we can see this subtle shadow. And now let's click this shape, Format Painter, and click maybe to this oval. So as you can see, the color has copied, the outline has copied, and also our subtle shadow. Alright, so that was everything about Format Painter. I'm going to create tutorial about Animation Painter, so you may watch the video. I hope this tutorial was valuable for you. Please like this video and subscribe to the channel if you want more valuable content about presentation design and PowerPoint. Have a great day and lead a happy life. Excellent slides.